2 ways to split screen on Samsung. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So the number one step is simply go to the app panel like this, app pages, select the app and tap on its icon, then go to open in split screen view. Now you will be able to find an option of selecting some apps. Simply select it and now you are in a split screen view. Next, what you can do is you can do it by swiping up with 2 fingers. To make that happen, go to settings, then go to advanced feature. Then you will see the option of multi-window if you have the latest UI version of Samsung. If you do, simply go there and you will see the option to split screen using 2 fingers swipe up. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.